Here we go again. Norbert Mao on fire. It's a serious thing. It's a developing story. A lot of people, especially from central Uganda, putting much pressure on Norbert Mao, linking to the issue of DP. You know, DP is a party widely considered by the Baganda as their own party, and also the issue of the constitutional reform, where I would see members of parliament voting for the president, and also the women serving a total of up to 2 terms without any election, and also reintroducing the term limit. So what is it now? PESA check have issued a clarification. They do fact check, just like Acholi TV. They have issued a fact check which clarifies that Norbert Mao is not dead. This came after a lot of social media, especially from TikTokers, a few TikTokers complaining that, raising the news that Norbert Mao has passed away. And Norbert Mao himself also tweeted saying, "This is where we are now. Baseless death announcements by haters." So Norbert Mao considers them as haters, and these, they say, it is baseless. These TikTok videos are made in Luganda language, and the only language I can clearly understand is a Fude. And from my understanding, if not mistaken, because I don't know Luganda language, the word Fude means dead. They start by saying breaking news, Norbert Mao of Fude. So for those who may watch, or for those who may understand this video, or may want to prove this video, watch it.